Okay, here's the center of our gable, right there, the center support. I have one of these made for either side. And come on.
There it goes.
Tighten that up and screw it into place. And we're doing a big thing. Okay, here we go. One up top.
Line it up so the siding fits better.
Oh, come on.
It's getting rather muggy out today.
That ain't gonna work. That'll go all the way down. Okay.
Quit being a pain and get in there, mister. There you go. Yay.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, it fell.
Good.
Go
ahead.
It is. One last piece.
Like a giant puzzle.
It is like a giant puzzle. It needs to come in more. Would it be easier from the other side?
Yeah.
Drill.
Drill, baby, drill.
Drill, baby, drill. All right.
Beautiful. So the end's nice and solid. Now what I'd like to do is something at the ceiling level from this exterior wall to the interior wall there where the door's going to go. Yeah, right there. Right there. Now see, there's going to be, I'm thinking, so this thing is really solid. I'm thinking there's going to be some of these poles here. I'm thinking there's going to be a pole either side of this doorway supporting some type of wood, probably a harvested locust, to hold these walls, hold this wall with the outer wall this way. So they can't separate, they can't collapse in, they'll move together in the wind, and it'll be solid but flexible, if that makes any sense.
Yeah.
So it can bend, it can flex in a storm, but it can't cave in.
Yeah.
Or it can't fall apart.
Because these do sway because of the design.
So I'm
But
thinking
free materials are best materials.
one either side of this doorway. Probably maybe just a 2x4 on the doorway to come in, and a cedar pole on the outside of it here. Whatever accommodates a wheelbarrow. We'll have a 2x4 here to close these, to lock these seams together, and a cedar pole here to, well, not right, there'll be a cedar pole on the outside to hold up that roof, but a cedar pole approximately here, and then some of this pallet material outside of that. So we would have a header, some type of header up here, probably right to that 2x4, and this pole would support it here. So we have a good solid doorway, a solid piece here, the cedar pole here, so the door can swing and bang if it's slammed or the wind catches it, whatever. It's not just wobbly. It has something solid to close against. And well, that's it for today. Catch you later.